Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that will ever ask you to do. Everything that I give out on this channel, the knowledge, the tips, experience, everything I give out for free. So the only thing that you can do for me is just to go ahead and like the video. If you are looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Okay, let's get into today's video. So this is one of the accounts that I'm actually growing using Boom and Crash. You can see where we are, and if you watch the previous videos on this channel, you generally have an idea of why I took this sell trade on Boom and Crash. Actually entered here, and it fell, and we're kind of in a retracement, and I've basically moved my stop loss to here. My target is there, but if my stop loss gets hit there, I am not exactly going to be sad. So why did I enter here? Of course, I watched price come here. I was in another trade that brought me here, and I watched price dancing around here. For me, because also when I trade forex, I try to spot what I term supply and demand zones, support and resistance, whatever you call it. So this signaled for me that we were experiencing what do they call it, a loss of momentum. This momentum that brought us here kind of died down around this point. That's why you can see we tried to break out of this zone, and we could not. We just basically danced around this area, and we previously touched this area. And if I zoom out a bit, it's an area that's of interest again because we touched it previously. So some of these things, you don't need to stress yourself too much. You don't need to stress yourself too much. This is a 1 hour chart. Of course, some of you are cracking your heads trying to catch spikes. Let's probably go to the 1 minute chart. This is how it's going to look like on the 1 minute chart, and some of you are busy trying to catch these spikes. We are on boom, so the spikes go up. So you're trying to stress yourself trying to catch these spikes. Of course, you probably are catching the spikes. That's fine. Everybody must do what works for them. But do you see on the 1 hour time frame how easy it is to actually trade Boom and Crash? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. So I know many people want to be heroes and catch these 1 minute spikes. I've got no problem with that. If it's working for you, definitely keep doing it. Me, I'll keep doing what keeps working for me, which is my advice. If you find something that's working for you, don't listen to what somebody else is saying is the best way to do this thing. You do what's basically working for you. So I just wanted to share with you that Boom and Crash trading can be so easy. Of course, I'm trading on the 1 hour time frame, so I'm basically catching the spikes. All the spikes that are in this move I caught. All the spikes that are in this move I caught. All the retracements, everything. So this is like a simple way to catch those spikes, if you will, and it certainly has a lower risk than what you probably are tempted to do catching these spikes. Of course, when you go out with in a blaze of glory, because this probably will take out your account. This huge spike, it's all good and fine, but while my method doesn't look fashionable, I'm catching those spikes in there, and I don't have to stress. I just have to watch my levels, and we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here, whether we are going to push up and hit my stop loss, or we are going to continue dropping further down. We'll see what happens, but otherwise I just wanted to show you what's happening with my boom and crash trade. Hopefully you can learn one or two things, or if you do not learn one or two things, it's still fine with me. Okay, so if you're new on this channel, again, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video. Otherwise, until next time, I catch you in the next video.